I wanted to create space here because what I'm going to do is I'm going to hitch up or drop the hitch, pull the truck around to the back here and plug in my generator and get some AC so I'm not sitting out here in the sun. All right, so let me talk to you guys a little bit about Good Sam. So we have the Platinum version. I don't know how much we spent on it. My mother-in-law got it for us, but I think it's good for 5 years. Don't quote me, I'll put the information down below and you can go and do the research yourself. I just spoke to the tech and I paid the tires up front. $632.04. With Good Sam, when you have the Platinum or you have any of their memberships with tire protection, your tires are covered. What they told me to do is to hold on to the receipt they sent me, hold on to the shredded tires if I have the space. If not, they said you can take pictures, but you have a better chance of getting your claim completely 100% reversed if you can hold on to the tires, and we have the truck space. So I'm going to hold on to the tires, call member services. They're going to send me to a technician in the area wherever I live, and they're going to inspect the tires and then do their stuff and send it off to Good Sam, and it's 100% refund. So I paid the $632 up front, but in the end I don't pay a dime, and that's why I highly recommend you get a Good Sam's membership. For what you probably will pay for the 5-year membership, it is definitely hands down worth it. They warranty the tires for 3 years. Roadside just got here, Ellen just got here. We're good. It took about almost 2 hours. Almost 2 hours. But we're good. Now they're just gonna come and dismount this, put the new ones on. We'll take these with us, and then we'll hit the road. Well, took about an hour and a half, 2 hours tops for them to get to the weigh station, and about another hour and a half to put the tires on. This guy worked his butt off in the heat. It was so hot. I even felt
even being as hydrated as I was throughout the day today, that I was going to pass out because I got this sensation in my head that I was about to faint, essentially. So this guy really busted his butt. He put on the tires manually. I've never seen it done manually before. Now I have an appreciation for those who do this for a living, the roadside assistance. But we're back on the road. We wasted a good 3-4 hours, and now we got to just try to make up as much time. We're heading to Jacksonville. We're going to try and spend the night at a Bass Pro if we can make it all the way through. Ellen said she was a little tired. She's in the other car behind me. So we're at a Bass Pro tonight. We've been traveling. We're making our way down from Gulf Shores down to Tallahassee, where we're staying the night at a Bass Pro. But it just so happens to be 4th of July, so happy 4th of July for those of you watching it. But if you can see, there are people out here shooting fireworks. Literally. So where we're situated right now, somewhere out in that direction, normally if it wasn't COVID, this whole parking lot, from according to the locals that live here, this whole parking lot would be completely full. People come out here and sit. There's a Costco to my left. We got the Bass Pro outpost. We got, it looks like a Walmart. There's so many places here. But everyone is shooting off their own little fireworks. And I guess you can say we picked a really, really good spot to boondock for 4th of July. So they just so happen to be shooting fireworks off where we are parked tonight. There's people everywhere shooting fireworks off. So the kids and I were up on the roof. We let the AC cool off.